This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines,
the Oecs makes significant strides in regional data harmonization. The Oecs hosted its annual Environmental Sustainability Exhibition at the UWI Five Islands campus. The Eastern Caribbean Telecommunications Authority celebrates its 25th anniversary. Martinique hosts the Regional Cooperation Fund Seminar. Good day, viewers, and welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. From policy to people, these are the stories shaping the Oecs today. I am Malaika Thompson-Snack. Let's take a look at what's making the news this week. In our first story, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, Oecs, is making significant strides in regional data governance. The Oecs Regional Data Governance Council, known as the RDGC, convened its fourth meeting on April 28th, focusing on establishing a comprehensive regional data governance framework. This initiative aims to harmonize data policies and practices across member states, enhancing the region's capacity for data-driven decision-making. A key highlight of the meeting was the election of Mr. Cornel Williams from the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis as the new chair of the RDGC, succeeding Grenada's Ms. Kenita Paul. Under his leadership, the Council reviewed ongoing activities, including the implementation of the Oecs Harmonized Labour Force Survey and the Survey on Living Conditions. Representatives from the Caribbean Development Bank, CARICOM, and the Oecs Commission participated in the meeting, discussing ongoing and upcoming programs focused on training, capacity building, and further harmonization of data tools. Next, we head to Antigua and Barbuda, where the Oecs hosted its annual Environmental Sustainability Exhibition at the University of the West Indies Five Islands campus from April 28th to the 30th, drawing hundreds of students and members of the public. The exhibition featured a range of interactive exhibits aimed at raising environmental awareness, including a standout virtual dive beneath the ocean designed to highlight the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. The annual event, held during the Oecs Council of Ministers meeting on environmental sustainability, was supported by the Government of Antigua and Barbuda, Biospace, an EU-funded initiative focused on marine biodiversity conservation, and the UWI Five Islands campus. In our third story, regional connectivity takes center stage as the Eastern Caribbean Telecommunications Authority, known as ECTEL, celebrates 25 years of advancing digital connectivity across the region. Over the past quarter-century, ECTEL has championed initiatives to ensure affordable, modern, and efficient electronic communications services. To commemorate this silver anniversary, ECTEL has launched a series of activities, including the 25 Years 25 Questions trivia contest and a Girls in ICT partnership aimed at empowering young women in the tech sector. We now turn to this special feature from the Eastern Caribbean Telecommunications Authority.
ECTEL is celebrating 25 years of progress. 25 years ago, the telecoms market in the Eastern Caribbean was a complete monopoly. The cost of services was very high, making our economies very uncompetitive and unattractive for investment. Then, thanks to the vision of 5 regional governments, ECTEL was established in 2000, and the NTRCs were introduced between 2000 and 2001, breaking the monopoly and enabling real competition, innovation, and consumer choice. From the first Telecommunications Act in 2000, welcoming new players in 2001, implementing a price cap plan in 2004, recommending the establishment of universal service funds in 2008 and number portability in 2019, to the enactment of the first EC bill in 2021. ECTEL and the NTRCs led the charge in many areas, including lower call rates, faster broadband, more service options, and stronger consumer protection. Today, thanks to ECTEL and the NTRCs, connectivity is stronger, digital access is fairer, and the future is brighter. 25 years of progress, 25 years of empowering you. ECTEL and the NTRCs, digitally transforming our space together.
In our fourth and final story, Martinique takes a bold step to strengthen regional ties, hosting the Regional Cooperation Fund Seminar under the theme Project Carriers and Diplomacy. Held on April 16th in Fort-de-France, the event convened diplomats, researchers, and institutional leaders to explore avenues for deeper collaboration with the Caribbean region. The Regional Cooperation Fund Seminar was jointly organized by the Prefecture, the Territorial Collectivity of Martinique, the General Secretariat for Regional Affairs, and FCR partners, and aimed to invigorate Martinique's engagement with its Caribbean neighbors. The seminar underscored the importance of Martinique's active participation in regional bodies to facilitate project development and funding. That's all for today's edition of the OECS Newslink. For more on these stories, visit our newsroom at www.oecs.int. Stay connected and follow us on social media and our website to keep up with the latest updates. I'm your host, Malika Thompson-Snack. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.